Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Terra Luna. I think Terra Luna currently very interesting, and I think also here the Elliott wave count has worked out so well, and the price is currently just doing what we expected. The price obviously moved up all the way into this area, it touched it, right, then came down as expected into this region here, also as expected here, started to turn around. Told you that from the point of when we break below the 50% fib retracement, that this wave 2 could theoretically be over, and that here the price is reacting or can react to the target area, and that we can start to move up. Now, of course, the target area itself is sitting a little bit lower, and that has a reason. However, I told you repeatedly in previous videos that from the point of the 50% Fibonacci level, at any point, the price can turn around. Now, anybody who missed this, if anybody listened to the last video, I told you that here above the previous high, the previous swing high here at $89, that could be an opportunity for a long trade, because after that you typically would get also further rising prices, and also that is currently happening. So for now, I'm very happy here also with the Elliott wave count. Was this already the wave 2? Is the wave 2 already complete? Because as I said before, a wave 2, so for anybody who's new, you get basically in an impulse here, so basically one larger wave consists of 5 waves as per the Elliott wave method. You get your first wave, which is impulsive, which goes into the trend direction here. We saw that it reached the target area perfect. The wave 2 is then correcting that previous impulsive move. So you always have markets that are moving in waves. This is just normal because of fear and greed and so on, emotions, all sorts of stuff. Then we came down in a corrective move. And I told you that after that we would get here into a wave 3. And the wave 3 should land somewhere around $200 US. Is this already the wave 3? Possible, but I don't think so. It is very likely that we are currently just doing this wave B, and this is exactly what I told you when we were approaching here this $75 level. I made you aware that at some point here we are gonna start the wave B, because I haven't seen a wave B. So this wave 2, a corrective wave as the wave 2 is, consists of 3 waves. A wave A, which is impulsive, a wave B again, which is corrective, and a wave C, which is impulsive again. And because this has come down so impulsively, I think this, at least it's very likely that this was only the wave A. Yeah, makes sense. Therefore, and this is also why I told you in the last video that we can now expect this wave B, and yeah, we had quite a bit of a move up. I think this could really just be the wave B for now. So I'm going to observe that for the next few days. Primarily, I still think, yes, there is further upside potential in that wave B, especially as we broke above $89. Everything working out, everything going to plan at the moment. But this wave B could go, and we take a look at where the wave B could go to. It needs to move at least to the 50% Fibonacci retracement. And again, that would be at $98. That is the minimum for a B wave. Could also move to the 61.8. I think that would be the most likely one, $103. 78.6 also possible, $110, and the 88.7 would even be possible, and even $120 would be possible, even to go a little bit higher. And that is what I mean with wave B is unpredictable, because a wave B can go everywhere. It can start at the 50% fib retracement and can even overshoot the previous high a little bit. That is what Bitcoin did in November. Okay, therefore, yeah, 61.8 is always a good target for that, because this is normally where buyers lose a bit of patience. So I'm going to observe that in the next few days, and will also, let's say this was already the wave 2 low here, and anybody who missed it would then get another chance to go in, because as I always say, let's say this was already the wave 2, what would happen? Let's delete the ABC. Let's say for some reason this really was the wave 2 already, then what you get in a wave 3 you get a first wave up, you get a second wave down, 3, 4, 5, wherever. The 5 should actually land a little bit higher. Yeah. This is not to scale now, so I'm just showing you, just to show you what will happen. Normally you get your wave 1 up and then you come down quite a lot again. And this would then be another opportunity for anyone who missed that dip. Yeah, my buy order triggered. Yeah, channel members who can see my buy and sell orders know that I already bought Terra Luna when we crossed the 50% retracement at $81. So that was one of my limit orders that triggered already. Only one of them. I still have more set lower because I still primarily think that we have not seen the low of the wave 2. I think that will be somewhere down here, and this was only the wave A of that wave 2, which means we're now in the wave B, and the wave C will then come down even lower. So in any case, there's no reason to FOMO in. There will always be another dip. But also I need to make you aware that, let's say this was already the wave 2. We're talking here for the wave 3 about Fibonacci extension levels, again, of at least the 1.618. And where is that? Just to show you, based on an updated calculation based on the low of this wave. Let's say this was the low, then the 1.618, yeah, okay, would be here at around $200. So this is where you would expect then this this wave 3 to land. Okay, so oops, take that out, because this would then be the wave 3 high. It's looking good so far. Very happy with that wave count. Very happy how it's currently playing out. Wave counts have been very accurate, and as I said, I don't think this was the low yet. Yeah, this target area here, this larger area, is obviously for the wave 2 low. So I think we're going to come down into it a little bit deeper after the wave B played out and then the wave C down. So yeah, currently all going well, which gives me again more confidence in this Elliott wave count. So what do the indicators say? Would they support this? Yes, certainly. I think here on the daily, we are soon gonna see a bullish crossover on the daily. That would confirm that in a wave B we could move even higher. We have already seen that bullish crossover already here on the 8-hour chart on the 16th of April. So that already also confirms higher prices. We are far away from being overbought, so it would confirm also higher prices. Here on the 4-hour, we're now a little bit overbought, but no bearish divergence yet. So there is certainly more scope to move a little bit higher. Yeah, and what we do here is smaller bull flags as it seems at the moment. And as I told you above, this is exactly what I said. So when you move, and that is why I recommend usually, if you observe, for example, the daily chart, you see here something is breaking that $89 level, as I told you, that above that we see probably rising prices, because this was the previous swing high. That means a downtrend is usually over. When you break it, you wait for the retest. This was the retest exactly of that zone. Yeah, so I left the lines as they were. Obviously, typically you don't get just one level. It is typically a zone. I had that marked here, and you can see how the lower level of that zone was retested, and that then, because just to give you a bit of education as well, this here could have then been an entry point, yeah, or because what you normally do, you wait for a bullish signal. And yeah, for example, here, this could have been this very green long candle could have been an entry point, or even going in after that here, maybe with that engulfing green candle. So all of this, a lot of buying signals, yeah. But then setting a stop loss, that is what I would have done. Now I didn't trade this because I already bought lower at 81, but setting a stop loss somewhere below that lower support is what I would normally do, and that starts at around 88.50. Good, that is my view about Terra Luna. Hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and yeah, if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.